Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online CRT classes. Today, we are going to discuss seating arrangement part 2. So, we already discussed the basics. Okay, sure. We already discussed the basics of the seating arrangement in yesterday's class. Now, we are going to solve many problems to better understanding purpose and practice the many questions. Then you people will get idea to solve these questions. Actually, it is easy, but a little bit tricky they will give. So you need to analyze that statement, what they given. Then logically you have to arrange that things. That's it. Okay, we'll move to the questions first of all. So here, so yesterday's, I think this question is completed. Then see here, eighth question. Come to the eighth question. Yeah. What's the given? 5 persons were playing card game, sitting in a circle, all facing the center. Mukund was to the left of Rajesh. Vijay was to the right of Anil and between Anil and Nagesh. Okay. Who was the right of Nagesh? They're asking who's the right of Nagesh. They're asking. So first, what they're given, first based on the data, you have to draw the diagram for understanding, easy understanding purpose. What they said, circle. How many members here? 5 members here. Playing the cards, sitting in a circle. All are facing center. All are facing center, or you can face to the inside. The both are same. Okay. How many person they are saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 5 persons is here. Yeah. Like this, 5 persons are sitting and they are playing the card games. But first statement, and every time you just read the statement by statement, then which statement is direct statement, then we'll start with that statement. Okay, how many statements is there? Mukund was to the left of Rajesh, first one. Vijay was to the right of Anil and between Anil and Nagesh. Who was the right of Nagesh? Very simple question, is the basic questions only. And here, what they're saying, first of all, see, I can take this direct sentence, right? Mukund was left of Rajesh. Suppose if he is the Rajesh, which is a left and which is right, facing inside means this is left and this is right. For this, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. So 5% left and right, we know now. Now, Mukund was left of Rajesh. Rajesh is here, then will be Mukund will be here. Am I right? Mukund will be left of Rajesh. Now, Vijay was right of Anil and between Anil and Nagesh. So what they are saying, Vijay is between Anil and Nagesh. Between Anil and Nagesh. Here we have 3 positions. 1, 2, 3 positions. In between, this one only, right? So middle person. Middle person is nothing but Vijay, they are saying. Vijay. Middle person is Vijay. And what they are saying, Vijay is right of Anil. Right of Anil. We don't know these 2 positions, where the Nagesh is, where the Anil is. Suppose Anil is here. If Anil is here, then who's the right of Anil? It is, this is the right? So Mukund. So it is not possible. So what they are saying, Vijay is a right of Anil. Suppose I take Anil here. Anil, this is the right. Who's the right here? For Anil's right is Vijay. And here automatically we'll get Nagesh. Now the question is, who is the right of Nagesh? Who is the right of Nagesh? This is the right. Who is the right? Mukund. Mukund in the right of Nagesh. Is it clear? Guys, do you understanding what I'm saying? This is a very easiest topic and very interesting topic. If you solve, try to your own way, then you people will get some interest. Okay, and this is for your understanding purpose. I'm writing like this. Okay, I'm going to clear, and we are going to next one. Now, see the next question. Next question. Next question. We'll solve these type of questions after few minutes. Okay, first we'll complete this. Okay, read the following information carefully and answer the questions given the below. See, like this will get the questions now. Like this will get the questions in competitive exams. They will ask 4 or minimum 4 questions or 3 questions from one given the data. One, they give the data, and from that data you need to solve 4 questions. It is really easy, right? If you solve that clearly, then you will get 4 questions easily. 4 answers will get easily. Now, what they're saying, first of all, 6 boys, A, B, C, D, E, and F are marching in the line. They are arranged according to their height. The tallest are being the back and the shortest is front. Okay. What they're saying, first of all, is it a circle? No. They are marching in a line. So marching in a line, so they will march like this, right? In a straight line. Q, in a Q order. So how many is there? How many is there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many members is there? 6 members is there, right? Six members in a line. So in the 6 members, who is shortest one is the first. Shortest is the first and tallest is the last. They are standing like this, one by one. One back side of the one. Okay. Now, first point, they said F is between B and A. First statement they given, F is between A and B, and E is a shorter than D. E is a shorter than D, but taller than C. And who is it taller than A? C. What then? E is a shorter. E is a shorter than D. Okay, that means D is height. D height is more compared to E, and but taller than C. Okay, C. Okay, who is taller than A? That means A. We got almost all. Everything is in one statement. Okay, and E and F have 2 boys between them. E and F have 2 boys in between them, and A is not the shortest among them all. Okay, based on this statement, see, based on this statement, what they're saying, first of all, just wait, I'll give you. Suppose E is a shorter, okay, shorter than D. Suppose E is here, he is a shorter than D. That means D is taller than E, right? So E is shorter than D. I'm giving shorter means like this, okay? And but taller than C. Then taller than C. From compared to C, E is taller. Who is taller than A? Who is taller than A? That means C is a taller than A. So A is here, and C is a taller than A. Now we got this. And the first statement they given, F is between B and A. And the last statement they given, A is not the shortest boy among them. So A will not going to be here. So just consider, suppose this line is here. Okay, this line is here. 4 members is there, right? 4 members is there. We got 4 members. Just take this D and is E, who's taller than C and who's taller than A. Then who's in first statement? F is between B and A. F is between B and A. Now check the conditions. A is not shortest among them. Okay, A is not shortest here. And E and F have 2 boys between them. E, where is E? Where is F? 2 boys in between, right? A and C is between them. And F is between A, B and A. F is between B and A. Okay, is it clear? Now, first question, where is E? Where is E? Between A and B? No. Between C and A? C and A? No. Between D and C? Between D and C? In front of C. When E is taller, he's a back of C, not a front, right? So which one is correct here? Between D and C. Between D and C, he is here. Okay. And the next question. Who is the tallest one? Who is the tallest one here among this? We know that all the people. Now, Semi, who is the tallest here? Who is the tallest one here? D, right? What about remaining guys? Only one Venkat. Venkat will give the answer. What about the remaining? Yeah, D is the tallest one. And if we start from the shortest, which boy is the fourth of the line? From started, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's the fourth? Who's the fourth one of the line? C. C, right? And who is the shortest one? Who is the shortest? B. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Like this, you have to solve step by step. You just arranging the step by step, then you will get the answers directly. And now, come to the next question. One minute, guys. Okay, come to this question. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Same thing we are following here. But here, see, it's a question they give. 5 courses, A, B, C, D, and E, each of one month duration are to be taught from January to May, one after the other, not necessarily in the same order by lectures P, Q, R, S, and T. Okay, I think it's better we'll solve this question in tomorrow section because it's a medium level question. Medium level questions we'll see tomorrow. And now we have some questions we eliminate, right? I mean, we missed it right here. That questions we are going to solve now for today's class. Then we are going to solve the remaining medium level questions. All will solve tomorrow class. Okay. See here, the first thing, in a row of girls of Sheila, who is 10th from the left, and Lena, who is 9th from the right. Change their seats. Sheila becomes 15th from left. How many girls are there in the row? Okay, how many girls in the row? They're asking. See, these type of questions is damn easy, first of all. The basic questions. And very rarely will get the questions also. Okay, see what they think. In a row, they are saying in a row, in a row. For solving these questions, guys, are you hearing? For solving these type of questions, you need to remember one point which I discussed in the coding and decoding. Do you remember or not? In the reverse order position, A to Z is 1 to 26. In a reverse order position, Z is 1, A to 26. How we are going to find out? It's just subtracted from 27 minus the original position, right? If total number is 27, if you are taking 27, then original position of whatever the letter, if you are subtracted, then we'll get reverse order arrangement, right? So that trick we are following here. We are going to follow here, right? See here. In a row, girls, Sheila holds 10th from the left end. See, this is the left. This will be the left, and this will be the right. Okay, and from left, Sheila is 10th position. Sheila is 10th position, and Lena, who is 9th from the right. From right, here, who's this? Sheila. Okay, and from 9th, somewhere from 9th, who's she? Lena. Now they changes their sheets. They change their seats. Now S will be here, Sheila will be here, and Lena will be here. Okay, and now after changing this, Sheila becomes 15th from left. So from here to here, it's a 15th. So 15th one is a Sheila now. Before is a 10th. Now it is 15th. And they're asking how many girls are how many girls are there in the row. So how we are going to solve this? D. How Marty? Okay. What they said, after interchanging the seats, this position is now Sheila from left 15th one. So from here to here, how many is there? 15 members is there. Okay, 15 members is there. And we know this position before from right. We know this same position before from 9. It is 9. So it is 9 means how many is there still? 8 members is there, right? From the end of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th. We know this 9th position now. It is a 15 one. So it is 15 members is there. Plus before how many members is there? From here to here, 8 members is there. 15 plus 8, nothing but 23. 23. Is it clear for you, guys? So what I done here, just see what I'm doing here. This is a circle. This is a thing, and I'm marking here. So this is the position of yes, Sheila, and this is the position of Lena. Now they interchanged their positions. Sheila is here, Lena is here now. Leave about the Lena, we don't want actually. They given this position is 9th from right, and left from 15. From here to here, 15, and here to here, 9. But if you count this position from this side, left side, so no need to count from right side again. Okay, we already counted. So total from left side, from here to here, it is a 15, and excluding this position, how many is there total? Before 9, excluding this, 8 members. 8 members is there, 8. So 15 plus 8 is totally 23. Is it clear? Hope you understand. Now next, see, in the row of 16 boys, when Prakash was shifted by 2 places, towards left, he become 7 from the left end. what was his earlier position from the right end of the row. So here they given how many are there in the row. How many are in the row? 16 members are in the row. Okay, 16 members. Total 16 is there. And Prakash was shifted by 2 places. That means before is here. Suppose think here. He shifted 2 places left. 2 places. 1, 2. Now Prakash is here. Prakash is here. This position from the left end is they are saying 7th one. This is 7th one. Now it is 7th one. So total how many members? 16 members. So before changing, he is 8 and 9, right? So from here, from the left end, before he was in the 9th place. He was in the 9th place. And what they're asking now, what they're asking to find, what was his earlier position from right end, from this, from here, which is the position of this, from left it is 9, from left it is a 9, and from right we don't know how many positions is there. Then how to find out? I said reverse order position. So total 16 members is there. Now they become 17. Just 17 minus original position 9. Original position, just subtract this original position. 17 minus 9, original position is 9. Now it's nothing but 8. So before this is a 9, and that is from left right end, it is nothing but 8th position. Do you understand why I am taking the 17 here? So from reverse order, to find out the reverse order, you have to add 1 to the total. Total is 16. I am adding 1, 17. And I am subtracting original position. Original position is a 9. Then we'll get the reverse order position is nothing but 8. Okay. And see like this type of questions is there still. 4th is completed and 5th. Now, 5th question. You just do it now. 5th question. Some boys are sitting in a row. We don't know how many is here. In a row, some boys are sitting in a row, and P is sitting 14th from left. 14th from left. From left, this side. From left means this. Okay, from left means this. And this is how, what's the position? It's a 14. 14. Okay. Okay, from the left. And Q is 7th from the right. So one more person is here who says Q. Q is here. He is the 7th person. Is the 7th person. Who says Q actually? Who is this P? Who is this P and who is this Q? Okay. Now, if there are 4 boys between P and Q, there are 4 members here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 4 boys are between. How many boys are there in the row total? How many boys are there in the totally? Directly you can say this is from this here 14 plus 14 members is there, and 4 members in between plus 7 members is there from right 7. Totally 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25. C is the answer. Right, C is the answer. Totally 25 minutes. Is it clear? Guys, again, wait a minute. Okay, come to the next problem. 6 we already done here, and 7. Okay, come to the 7th one. In a row of boys, Anil is 15th from left. Anil is 15th from left. So this is a row. So Anil is 15th from the left. Anil is who's that? 15. 15. Okay. Next. Vishakha. Vishakha. Some. Okay. Whatever the name it is. His name is seventh from right. Seventh from right. He is a seventh from right. If they interchange their questions. Now, previously who's here? Who is here? This is Anil. This is Anil. And this is Vishak. Okay. And now they interchange their questions. Interchange their questions. Anil is here and Vishak is here. And Vishak becomes 15th from right. Now, previously he is a 7. Previously he is 7. And from right, now he is a 15. Now he is a 15. Okay. Now he is a 15. And how many boys are in the row? So from this, from the right end, this question is now 15th one, right? So how many is there from the left hand? This is the 15th question from the left also. So how many boys is there in between? Up to this 14. 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15. Totally how many members? See, 29 members. Is it clear? So 29 is the answer. Now, 8th one we already completed. Okay, come to the 9th one. Okay, no, first 10th one. Same type of problem here also. 10th one. Complete the 10th one first. A ranks 5th in the class. B is 8th from the last. 8th from the last. If C is 6th after A and just in the middle of A and B, how many students are there in this class? So they are asking how many students are in the class. We don't know how many class, but they give the positions. A is the 6th rank. Suppose A is here, is the 6th one. Okay. A is here, is the 6th one. A is here, is the 6th one. And B is 8th from the last. 8th from the last. Okay. B is here. B is here. And who's 8th from the last? B is here. The 8th. This is the 8th. And this is the 5th. And if C is the 6th after A, 6th after A and just middle of A and B. So from A he is the 6th one, 6th rank. From A he is the 6th rank means his total is 5 up to here 5. After 6 members, 6 means from A is the 11th. The 11th position. 11th position is who says C. Okay. Now, how many members are there? How many members are there from A and C? How many members are there? Is a 5th. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, these are from 6th, right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th rank of the 6th. So, how many members is there here? How many members is there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members is there. See, now, first A rank is 5. A rank is 5. Up to that means, up to A, 5 members is there. From A to C, how many members is there in middle? 5 members is there. Okay. And here C is coming. And from C to B, how many members is there? C to B, how many members is there? Exactly middle means, here also same, right? Here also same, 5 members. Is it clear? Now, from here to last, how many members is there?